Hi, I'm YA and this is my channel Good On Ya. I'm a young traveler who would like to travel around the world, and today is my first vlog from Christchurch to Auckland and staying there one night. Now it's 5:15 in the morning and we need to be at the airport before 6 o'clock. So see you at Christchurch Airport. Now we are at Christchurch Airport. Christchurch Airport has lots of shops, from cafes to restaurants to souvenir shops and other shops. We had our breakfast at the airport. This is the seating area for you to wait for your plane. Now I am boarding it. Now we are getting ready to take off from Christchurch. When we came to the airport, we parked our car in Express Park. Express Park we recommend this car park because it is the only covered parking in the airport and it is very safe and convenient. During the flight, they will give you a complimentary drink, snack, and lolly to enjoy. Now we are making a descent to Auckland. It is approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes from Christchurch to Auckland in one flight. Now we are landing. Auckland Airport is really close to the the water, as you can see. And Auckland Airport is the biggest airport in New Zealand, and has two terminals, one for domestic and one for international travels. After we get off the plane, we need to go pick up our check-in bag, one check-in bag, and then we're going to get a shuttle from here to Ace Rental Cars to pick up our rental car. Now we are getting our car. As you can see, they have a range of cars to choose from and almost new cars. Now we are at Cordis Hotel. When we came to the hotel, my parents gave the car keys to the valet parking, which it costs $45 per 24 hours. Normal check-in time at the hotel is 3 o'clock, but we came 2:30. So we decided to go to the club lounge. The club lounge is located in the topmost floor, at the 10th floor, and our room is in the 9th floor. To get club lounge access, you need to stay in some room categories. It is open 24 hours, and normally there's packaged snacks and fridge items like ice cream, canned drinks, smoothies and yogurt. Other times, like dinner time, they have light canopies, which everything is free from the dinner and alcohol and drinks. You can invite a friend to any time for a minimum fee. And we are a little bit hungry, so we're getting a snack. Now we are getting to a room. They're finished with it, so we are going to a room. Very nice, clean and spacious. This is the bathroom. Here is the bathtub and the shower. Spare towels and amenities. Here's the vanity and the big mirror. The tap. A small mirror. The toilet. And two under vanity compartments. One with sanitary bag and hairdryer. Now I had a shower, nice and clean and fresh. Had a coffee. Here's the coffee machine and the coffee capsules. As you can see, I've already had one. Complimentary water bottles with the hotel name on it. Hi. Complimentary chocolates. Here's the first drawer and some glasses, snacks, alcohol and universal plug and pocket knife. These are all from the minibar. Here's the fridge. It's filled with lots of things. Some snacks and canned drinks. Lots of alcohol and other drinks. Everything is from the minibar except the milk, which is free. It's complimentary. Here's the coffee, tea, sugar and hot chocolate packets and mugs and spoons. And here is the kettle. Had a wash, now getting ready to go have breakfast at the buffet. Now we are heading to the 8 restaurant. Nice Christmas tree there. While I'm taking this video of tour of the restaurant, of the buffet, my parents are getting food for me and them. If you see 2 blue t-shirts, well, that's my parents. It is a huge buffet with lots of sections to go through. First, here is the chilled section. Chilled with cheese and meat slices and etc. Put some dried fruits and grapes. A big bowl full of apples and bananas. Yummy porridge. and some other grains and cereals. This, bacon. Scrambled eggs. Replenish with egg benedict. My favorite style of eggs, poached eggs. Looks like they're making fresh omelets. This section is closed for open for lunch and dinner. Here's the cereal section and bakery with croissants and Danish and some toasters and breads to choose from, and jam and bottles of jam. My favorite, the 2 chocolate fountains. Milk and white chocolate, yummy. Some juices, some yogurt, especially fruity yogurts. Another favorite, ice cream. Some more yogurt, unsweetened yogurt. Fresh sliced fruits. My mum's favorite, fried rice. My dad's favorite, pork sausages. Chicken sausages and baked beans. Some sauces. Hot steamy pancakes. Nice. Grilled tomatoes. Hash browns. You could see our table. Now I'm getting some chocolate covered marshmallows. First of all, white chocolate. Next, milk chocolate. Now we are leaving the hotel and heading to drop off our car at Ace Rental Cars. We had a great time in Auckland, a one-night stay. It was nice and relaxing.
In 600 meters, keep right to stay on State Highway 20.
Hi. It has come to the end of our trip, and this is the plane that we'll be taking back home to Christchurch. We are in Auckland Airport right now. I went on a trip with my mum and dad. We had lots of fun. I hope you had watching this video. I'm playing now. I'm boarding the Air New Zealand A320 plane to Christchurch. I'm flying back home. Now we are leaving Auckland Airport. There are 2 ways to go to Auckland. One is by travelling by plane from Christchurch to Auckland. The other way is by going by car. First going from Christchurch to Picton, the north of the South Island, then catching a ferry. There are 2 ferries, the Inter-Islander ferry and the Blue Bridge ferry, and then going to Wellington, then driving from Wellington to Auckland. We have just landed in Christchurch Airport. Again, we have to go get our check-in bag.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Christchurch. For your safety, you must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Also, be careful when opening the overhead lockers as items could fall out. It's now safe for transmitting functions on your electronic devices to be turned on. We may be using the forward air bridge and rear stairs to disembark the aircraft.
Now we are going to go get our car and we are on our way home. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Good on ya!